We did it. I promised myself that I wasn't gonna make a video until I got better. Right now I have stuffy nose and I hate filming when I have a stuffy nose and I sound like this, but I cannot contain myself because I have to share this special excitement with you guys because you guys are the ones that made it happen. We finally hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. The reason why I'm doing a video inside is because, well, outside is really, really windy. The whole country is experiencing this winter storm. It is super, super windy and the temperatures are supposed to drop tonight. With that being said, I'm very, very stoked because now we can actually give away the LLY, which is, I was gonna take the LLY out and do a video on it. Can't do a video outside because it's just windy. I tried it, came back, and I couldn't hear myself. With that being said, I promised you guys that I would give away the LLY whenever we hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we finally achieved that goal. So now, what's next is I have some custom headlights that I am installing on the LLY that I built myself, and it's got demon eyes and projectors. Looks freaking amazing. And so I'm gonna reveal that with you guys here in a second. What else is left in order for me to do the giveaway on the LLY? I already contacted the sweepstakes agency. In order for me to give away this truck legally, I have to hire a third-party sweepstakes agency, just like everyone else is doing legally. They will be the ones picking the winner, making sure everything paperwork-wise is legal. They're honestly here to make sure this giveaway is fair and square and that we're not rigging anything. There's no foul play. It's gonna take a while for the paperwork to process, obviously not too long. In the meantime, there are a couple of things I want to fix up on the LLY because for me to give it away to somebody, I want it to be in, I guess, the best shape possible. And right now, it's not it. I have a couple of things I want to get repainted. I want to spray the bed liner. I want to rebuild the front end. I want to replace all the ball joints, which I have right here. It's been sitting around for a couple months. So it's honestly crunch time. Upper ball joints, lower ball joints, the bushings and everything, just making sure the whole front end is solid as it gets. After that, I think we're gonna go back to stance. So we're gonna order some 2414 on some 33s. That should be our main objective and main content for the next month or so until we get all the paperwork finalized and get the truck ready. It'll officially be up for the giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button because I don't want you guys to miss out on this giveaway at all. And also follow JW Motorsports Co. That's where a lot of the information is going to be uploaded. That scared me. My door just opened. I think it's because I had it cracked, and it honestly scared the crap out of me. Yeah, follow JW Motorsports Co. We're gonna have more giveaways. So here we have our entry-level train horn set that we have. So we have a new line of products that we want to add to our website. One of them is this set of train horns right here. This is a very economical entry-level set of train horns that we decided to carry on our website. It has an 8 trumpet setup. So it's not plastic, so it actually sounds more like a locomotive train. And it comes with a 2.5 gallon tank and a compressor, the fittings and everything, the whole 9 yards that you would need to install this kit. As of right now, the release date is going to be in a couple of weeks. It's going to retail roughly about 500 bucks. But to end this year with, we want to give away a set of our train horns. Actually, you know what's better than a set? One set of train horns? Giving away 2 sets of train horns. So as of right now, you have until the last day of the year to get entered. So the giveaway is now live. We're giving away 2 sets of train horns. Every $10 you spend on jwmotorsportsco.com will get you 1 entry towards a set of train horns. We're going to be picking 2 winners to ship these out to. Your odds are really high. This is probably one of our smallest and the quickest giveaway we've done. Last time we did a giveaway like this, I think we had roughly about 100 entries. So out of 100 people, we're picking 2 winners. So your odds are really, really high, and you can win yourself a set of train horns. So get entered. That is just kind of my way of saying thank you to you guys for getting me to 100,000 subscribers, and also to kind of give back to those of you guys who support my brand and my products. Let's end 2022 by giving away something cool. And the next time we do a giveaway, hopefully it'll be a truck. So make sure to stay tuned. But let's go ahead out and let me show you guys the LLY and the Demon Eyes that I built. Oh man, it is cold. Not as cold as some of the other parts of the country, but for Georgia, we're in the 30s, and that's pretty cold here. As you guys just saw, the headlights turned out really good. However, there's a dilemma. I really don't know if I'm gonna keep that set when I give the truck away. I might just buy another set of clear headlights and just put some LEDs in it and call it a day. And the reason for that is that's my first time ever putting projectors, retrofitting projectors in a set of headlights. Previously, I've always just bought the spider headlights that had the projectors built in. And I wanted to try something different. And let me tell you, it was a task. It was a lot harder than I had anticipated. And I used a lot of JB weld on the back, in which apparently that's how you're supposed to do it. But it doesn't look very presentable to me. If I were to keep the truck and no one was ever going to see it, might be okay. But since I'm giving the truck away, I really didn't want somebody else to have a set of headlights that are in a way kind of butchered. And I also lost some of the clips for the HIDs. So right now the HIDs are in there with zip ties. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little jerry-rigged and I'm not 100% proud of the work. But if somebody else were to go behind afterwards and saw how it was built, I think they would be really disappointed. So that is one of the reasons why I'm thinking about not maybe giving that away with the truck. And another thing is the HIDs, obviously it stands for high intensity discharge. So yeah, they get hot. And I don't know if the LEDs are gonna be able to survive the LED strip I put in there for the Demon Eyes. I really don't know how long they're gonna survive in the projector, especially if the person who wins this truck does a lot of nighttime driving. I just feel like the LEDs are gonna burn out within weeks or months. And lastly, because it's my first set of headlights that I built with projectors, I'm really not sure if I can aim those projectors properly like I'm supposed to. I'll give it my best shot. Those headlights do have good amount of flexibility and adjustment, but in my opinion, sometimes if you aim them down too low, there's too much gap here, and then if you aim them too high, there's too much gap down here. So it might look goofy when I'm done like adjusting them to where they shine properly. So there's a lot of factors that come into those headlights. They look awesome. They're probably amazing for like just shows, photos, and you know, just like an Instagram truck. But how sick do they look? Should I pursue and make them work with the truck, or just buy another set of clear headlights and just put LEDs in it and call it a day? Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the new headlights. I was obviously really stoked until I put them on the truck and started assembling them, and I was like, you know, I really don't feel right about giving somebody else this truck with those headlights. So also want to know what you guys think of them, because I think they look really good from the outside. The HIDs are bright, so they do have really good output, but it's just like I said, I might just be stressing a little too much about how perfect I want this truck to be. No vehicle is gonna be perfect.